front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one, and first of all set up an hour. Then pick one of those repeat options. Ring once, work, you can adjust each day, or custom. If you decided to select custom, pick days of the week manually. And then if you want to continue, scroll down. Now hit alarm name to name it. Choose ringtone to either pick one of those options, like weather adaptive, or select on this device, pick any song from your smartphone and set it up. Then go back. Now click on this switcher next to vibrate to turn it off or on. Select Snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you want to turn off or on Snooze, use this switcher at the top. Go back and hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick the best option in the pop-up. If you want to edit it, click on it, make some changes and hit done at the top right corner. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!